Good Thursday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers. This is your outlook for October 24th, 2013, and we're back online after a few days of have the website being down, and we're good to go now. And we have had a little bit of a plug-in issue, but that has since been corrected, and we'll be back with a daily forecast every single day as normal. Starting off with the European model this morning, and this is starting off with actually looking at the afternoon on Tuesday, and we have a little bit of some instability instability showers or flurries that could be happening across our area today, and that's what's depicted as this little light gray here. Now this isn't going to amount to anything. You just don't be surprised if you see a flurry or a shower, just a little spritz or shower this afternoon. Basically, we have a low pressure that's sitting way up to the north here. It's actually off the map here for argument's sake. We'll put it right here, and high pressure that's going to be moving in. It's not quite to this point yet, moving in from the west. And the combination of the two is allowing for a west-northwesterly flow across the Great Lakes, something like this. And what that's doing is going to deposit some lake effect snows here downwind of East Lake Ontario here and Lake Erie, and also in the mountains of West Virginia. But I think that's the only places you'll see any kind of accumulations as far as snow goes. Everywhere else where you see these little light grays here is where the European models is expecting there to be at least some flurry activity or a possibility for a passing shower or flurry. So we left it in the forecast. We're probably looking at just northeast PA, maybe northern New Jersey, maybe getting down the Lehigh Valley, but I think it's mostly confined to the Poconos and northeast PA, just with that instability that's present due to this cyclonic flow that we're dealing with. Okay, we're going to get into temperatures tonight now. Now temperatures this morning were quite chilly. We got to freezing in many locations, or pretty close to freezing. I think we're going to go down about another degree or two, and it's probably the coldest night that we're dealing with tonight, with temperatures in the upper 20s to near 30 in many areas across Pennsylvania here, and areas across New Jersey that didn't quite make it to freezing, exception of course being northwest New Jersey, where it's always cold. The interior portions of New Jersey that did not quite get to freezing, I think if you didn't get there last night, I think you will tonight. Getting closer to the coast, you'll stay above freezing here, but interior South Jersey, we're looking at a freeze, and you might come close to that even to Philadelphia. Well, I don't think you quite make it there yet either, just because you're near the metro areas. Just stay a little bit warmer in the urbanized areas here, but any chance of the growing season lasting any point beyond this point is probably futile, and you're going to have all you need is 3 hours here, and it will kill off any vegetation and plants for the year, and that'll be it. Okay, so we're going to get into the coldest night tonight, and then after that point, take a look at Friday evening here on the GFS as we switch to the GFS now. Pretty much the same idea here. Here's the snow showers out here in western PA and downwind of the lakes, and then just a flurry here is showing up here. This light blue is actually just a little snow shower over northeastern PA. Again, that's probably your best chance to see that today. Don't be surprised if you see any wet flakes flying because of that. But as we go forward in time here, here's the high pressure finally coming on the map here. What this is going to end up doing is this is going to head pretty much due east and offshore, and there's going to be an area of low pressure that's going to be, it's also off the map right now, is going to be moving kind of like this, also north of the area here. So we're kind of staying between, which means this weekend should be okay for this area in between, which is our coverage area. Not expecting anything in the way of precipitation. Now the GFS, here's a low pressure here I was talking about, showing up on Saturday afternoon. See, it's well to the north up here and is actually heading off to the east-northeast at this point. The GFS in the next frame here actually is trying to push some precipitation down into northeast PA just a little bit. We'll have to see what Nicole does up here in this region. I don't think she'll include in this region because I just don't see any precipitation taking place this weekend in our coverage area. I could be wrong, but I'm leaning against that, and we'll see what she does up in that area here. But it looks like everything stays to the north here. We're not dealing with any precipitation at all. And next organized chance of precipitation is going to come in from the Midwest here and push into right across our area here in the middle of the week next week. That'll be our next legitimate chance of a larger system affecting us with precipitation. And take a look at the European model. Actually, this system actually takes it a little bit on the northern side, a northern track here. European model pretty close to the same idea with that midweek system. The only difference is it takes it more into the into the Ohio Valley route here, and then takes it to the east northeast across our coverage area. So we have a lot of time to look at it. It's only about a week away, but this is our next chance at an organized system that would give us some rainfall, and that would be the middle of next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for October 24th, 2013. Have a great Thursday.